The question is, where will Canoo stock be in 1 year? This is the monthly chart, and you can see price is on the verge of testing the all-time lows near the 15-cent level. Now if you scroll down to the weekly chart, you can see this huge green spike in volume. However, for the week, price ended off the lows as price came into some resistance near the 22-cent level. When you scroll to the daily chart, you can see that a bit better. You had support, 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 became resistance. So here was that spike that we saw on the weekly chart. And that spike was only to be met with sellers. And the question is, are we going to see another leg down? Now to get some clues on where price is heading next, again, where will Canoo stock be in a year? So the very first bullet point in Canoo's third quarter 2023 earnings released stated that the EV company had reached the accelerating revenue generation phase. In the third quarter of 2023, Canoo generated $519,000 of revenue compared to zero in the prior year period. In fact, if you look back through the company's short history, third quarter of 2023 was the first time it generated any revenue at all. So that's good news. To give credit where credit is due, the third quarter was a big improvement. Until now, the company has been trying to build its business. Getting to this point was no small feat, given that creating an EV company from effectively scratch is both difficult and expensive. And just think of what Tesla has done over the last 10 plus years. That said, there are still some problems investors need to consider. For example, while it generated $519,000 in revenue, the cost of revenue tallied up to $903,000. So the company's gross profit was negative. On top of that, the company is still spending a lot of money to build out its business. For example, research and development spending came in at $21.9 million, and SG&A expenses were at $24.9 million. So Canoo continues to burn through cash. There's no way to predict the future, but Canoo is clearly not starting from a position of strength. It is highly likely to need to sell equity or issue debt to continue to fund its business efforts. So I think this is the key. This is the key to where price is going next, because if you're going to raise more funding through issuing stock or raising debt, that's going to dilute shareholder value. And so what I'm predicting is that you do get this next leg down. And I do like psychological round hole numbers. So I'm going to say that price is going to decline another 80% from current levels. Current levels is 17 cents. Again, going back to the weekly chart, this is the level that price needs to breach if there's any chance of price bottoming out. Until then, I do anticipate another leg lower. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.